Hey guys, I'm Kodi Quinlisk here with Steel Green Manufacturing. Today we're showing off our new rate control system that we have partnered with CapstanAG. I got Mike Schwegman here, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this system.
Yeah, my name is Mike Schwegman. I'm with CapstanAG. This is our 30-year anniversary of working with rate controllers and liquid product control within the industry. This is our first time of getting into the turf a little bit. Glad to be working with Steel Green for inviting us to be able to kind of play around with those guys, or with these guys. So what our rate control system does is that we're going to control pressure independent from rate. So this system is going to allow you to pick a pressure that you want to be able to spray at, so that way your coverage doesn't change. Then because your pressure is staying the same, we're going to control the rate, so that way your application rate of, say, 0.5 gallon per 1,000 square feet is always going to be applying that exact rate regardless of the speed that you're doing. So if you're going 2 miles an hour, you're going to be at 0.5 gallon per 1,000. If you're going 5 miles an hour, you'll be doing 0.5 gallon per 1,000. Seems to work really well. We're able to do the rate control. We're able to do the rate control with pulsing our nozzles. Our nozzles are going to be pulsing at 20 times a second, and we're going to change how long we're open. So the slower you go, we're going to be open less. The faster you go, we're going to be open more, and that's going to allow you to be able to achieve the rate that you want to do.
Yeah. So some other real cool features about this system, it gives the operator a lot of feedback. So you'll be able to tell how many gallons of product you've used. You'll be able to tell how many 1,000 square feet you've covered. There's also some indicator bars on the screen that's going to show you if you have an issue with the tip. So traditionally on a sprayer, if you had an issue with the tip in front of the machine, you couldn't really see it. So now there's going to be operator feedback that's really going to help kind of see if there's any issues going on. So
since we are pulsing as well, another feature, since we're pulsing every single nozzle body, one of the great things is that now when you go around a corner, we can actually do turn compensation. So when you go around that corner, the outside's going to pulse faster than the inside. So you're going to put a higher rate on, or not a higher rate on, but the correct rate on, and a lower rate on the inside, so you're not burning what you're doing.
So yeah, if you guys are here, feel free to stop by, check it out, and we'll be happy to show it to you. So there's going to be these green bars that pop up. Each one of those green bars indicates a tip. So it's green, means it's good. If it goes to yellow, it means there's an issue. You're either over rate, under rate. Or if any of these go red, it means there's an issue with the solenoid or the valve on the boom. So here it's going to show how many gallons you've used every time you fill the machine. You could reset this to 100 gallons, and then now it shows 100, and it'll start counting down from there. If you show up to a new property, you can reset your area, and it will start counting how many 1,000 square foot you've sprayed. So the center section here, you can keep clicking this, and it's going to cycle through different tip colors. So depending on what tip you have on it, you just select the appropriate tip, and then it'll know what to do from there. So once you get the tip on it, you can also change your rate. So once you set this rate, it doesn't matter how fast you drive, it's going to do everything it can to keep it on rate. So here we have 1/3 gallon per 1,000 set. We're actually running the red tips on this unit. That way we can drive a little bit faster than 5 miles an hour. So yeah, that's how everything would be set up. So here you can see the turn compensation, how that side's spraying more than this side. And once you straighten back out, they even out again.